Hello everyone, my name is Utkarshit Chauhan, and in the previous video we had discussed about the model evolution, and in the current video we will discuss about the knife based classification. So first we understand what is knife based classification. So knife based classification is a probabilistic machine learning algorithm based on Bayes theorem, and it is commonly used for classification tasks, especially with the text data. Example like spam detection, sentiment analysis, and the algorithm assume two things. First one is feature independence. It assumes that the feature input variables are independent of each other. For example, in text classification, it assumes that the presence of one word does not affect the presence of another, and the equal importance of features is it assumes that all features contribute equally and independently to the output. So let's understand with the help of code. So in the code, we import the necessary files from sklearn.feature extraction.txt import convert vectorizer. Uh, these are the libraries that we import, and imported necessary libraries to work with text data and classification. And then we create a sample data is equals to these all are the datas, and we prepare a simple data set of spam and non-spam messages label as a spam and ham. Then when and then we split data into a features and labels. Xy is equals to zip into data, and then separate the data into two parts, features into two parts, feature X message and labels Y for spam and spam and ham. And then we vectorize the data. Vectorize is equals to count vectorize, and x vect is equals to vectorize dot fit transform x, and this convert the text into numerical feature using count vectorizer, and this is essential for machine learning models to process the data. And then splitting data into the training and testing sets. Xtrain, xtest, ytrain, ytest is equals to train, test splits, x vect, y test size 0.3, random state for 42, and split the dataset into training 70% and testing 30% set, ensuring a fair evaluation of the model. And then we initializing and training the knife based model is equals to multi nominal nb and model dot fit xtrain ytrain, and initialize the multi-nominal knife-based classifier and train it with the training data. And then we evaluating the module. First, importing the necessary libraries. Import necessary libraries to work with the text and classification. And then we create a simple data set. Data is equals to these all are the datas, and prepare a simple data set of spam and non-spam messages labeled as spam and ham, and then we split a data set into a message x and labels y. This separated data set into two parts, feature x for message and label y for spam and ham, and then vectorize the text data. Vectorize is equals to count vectorizer. This transform messages into a metric of words counts, and then it converts the text data into a numerical feature using count vectorizer. This is essential for machine learning model to process the text. And then we splitting the data training and testing sets. Uh, Split the data set into a training 70% and testing 30% set, ensuring a fair evolution of the model. and then initialize and train the knife based model. Model is equals to multinomial NB model dot fill x train y train. Initialize multinomial knife based classifier and train it with the training in the data. And then we make the prediction. Use the train model to predict the labels for spam and ham for the test data. And then we evaluate the model for accuracy. Accuracy is equals to accuracy score y test comma y print prediction and print accuracy. This evaluates the model's performance using accuracy and generates a classification report to show prediction, precision, recall, and F1 square. And then make a prediction on new data Python code. Like that, new message is equals to claim your free price now. And can we reschedule the meeting? New message vector is equals to vectorizer dot transform new message. And this make a prediction on new unseen messages and the print the predicted labels, spam or ham. So click this button for getting an output. So this is the output of this code. So the model has an accuracy of 67%, meaning it correctly predicted 2 out of 3 message. And ham classified the precision 0 0.0. The model never predicted ham correctly. And then recall 0.00. The model didn't identify the ham message. And F1 square 0.00. No correct prediction for ham spam and support 1. And then for spam 0.67, 67% of spam prediction were correct. And then recall 1.00, 100% of spam message were identified. And then for F1 square 0.80, good balance of precision and recall. And then prediction for new message is that the model predicted the first message as spam and the second message as ham. Thank you for watching my video.